Morning guys, August 4th, 2025. I got a call from a job I've been having issues with for a little while now. There's always something with this lady. She's calling me, she got no hot water. I've been over there playing around with the storage tank wiring, and it's got an AF2 burner on it. It's problematic. I've done some things with that, and she's usually good for a couple of weeks, a month, and she calls me with no hot water again. So, I mean, it could be anything. I'm gonna go back over there and see what's ailing this thing now. Seems to always be something with this thing. Always something. Try to get you some shots if I can figure out what the hell's going on with it. Zone 1's calling. Zone 1. That don't seem to be calling. It's not hot. This thing's up to temperature, so it's not off on that. There's something to do with this relay. This fucker. Not off on safety. Not off on safety. That's calling. It's not off on safety. It's something to do with this circulator control. I had a problem with the fucking control last time, remember? I had a problem with it last time. Last time I was here, I came back and I changed that transformer. I put a new one in there. Well, that's not the problem. It's something to do with the circulator. That's my saying, never a dull moment. I've been in here before playing with this thing. Let's see if we got power. Let's see if we got power. I got power because I know it's lit up. In zone 1, I'll jump that out and see if it fires. Let's see if I got power. So I got power going to the circulator. I don't hear the circulator running. Neutral. I got no power going up there. Isn't that weird? Zone 1. I think it's the relay might be bad. Maybe it's that relay that's bad. It's lit up. Yep, now I got 120. It's something to do with that thermostat. I got a bad thermostat in that. Remember I played around with it, tightened it last time? Could it be a broken wire? It's working now. Before it ain't working. Now it's working. Isn't that weird? Might be a bad cube relay here. That's tight. Could be this relay's bad. Let's see if I got another one in the truck. I should have fucking cube relays. Yeah. That should be the one right there. I saved this old shit, you know, just in case. Let's try that one and see if that one works. .24 volt coil. What's this one say? Well, it should be the same. Alright, let's see. How long we got there? This is the... I heard it click in. Could just be a bad relay. I mean, it don't take much for that relay not to click in, right? And we're tight. Never a dull moment, all I can say. This is all tight. Sure, this is all tight down the bottom down here. This transformer's looks a little cooked. Everything's tight. Could have just been that cube relay. I'm going to shut it off on the other end and then try turning it back on to see if it works. See, it's crawling. Turn this thing all the way down. That should shut it off. Yeah, it did. It's on a post-purge. Alright, then we'll turn it back up. Yeah, this thing's getting hot. Yeah, we'll try it again. See if it works. No, it could be that cube relay might not be kicking in. I just heard it click in. There we go. I mean, anything can break at any time. I always say that. You never know. You gotta test. Gotta test stuff to find out why. Alright, so we changed the zone, the cube relay. Ouch. Cube relay and zone control replaced. What was the problem with this piece of shit? Well, it was something. We know it's working now. It wasn't sending power to the circulator to circulate water to the storage tank. It was calling, but it wasn't sending power through from that relay. Now it is. Yeah, we're nice and hot here. The circulator's nice and hot. Look at the way they put them circulators right against the ceiling. How would you even get the... You can't even get them apart. Stupid. I always like my, I like all my circulators on a return. They stay cooler. I think it works better. That's my opinion. I know the old push away fucking bullshit, but I don't agree with it. I like all my circulators on the return. Less wiring, easy access, overall easier to work on. You put them up here on a supply, I mean, it's more work involved, more wiring. Harder to work on. Not something I recommend. We'll turn it down again and we'll see. We'll turn it down one more time, make sure it fires up. We'll let it go through the post-purge. I did call the lady, told her what I found. It's off, and we'll turn it back up. I'll put it back where it needs to be, and I thought I switched those relays around the other day, but it takes them little contacts in there that, you know, be an issue. Never a dull moment, Mama. Never a dull moment.